Hello guys, welcome back to the DevOps desk. Here you can see your GitHub profile here. Go to repositories. Currently there are no repositories available here. So let's create a repo here. Click on this new. Now you need to enter a name of your repo here. So I am entering as DevOps desk repo. Okay. And a description, currently I am not giving any description as it is optional. And public or private, you can select your repository as publicly available or privately. So I'm selecting it as a public and add a readme file. This readme file will tell other people about your project and how it's useful to them, what they can do with your project and how can they use it. So gitignore file depends on your project. Whether your project is a Python project, you can select it as a Python, or it is a Java project, you can select it as a Java. So currently I'm not selecting any project here. Okay, and choose a license as a none and create repository. Your GitHub repository is created. Okay, with the branch name main as a default branch. You can see main as a default branch. If you want to create new branch, just go to here, give the branch name as a test and create branch test from the main branch. So it will create a new branch as a test from this main branch. Okay, now here you can see two branches are available. For example, I want to delete this branch. I don't want this test branch, so you can delete here directly. Deleted now. Okay, let's go back to code and check it. Only one branch is available here. Okay,